So today we are celebrating a birthday. What is it, Rosie's birthday? Much respect reaching out to Rosie. Happy birthday, baby. After 3, you're going to cut the cake, right?
Yeah. Where's your knife? Rosie.
All right.
35.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Enough respect reaching out to Papa Michigan in the building, in the place. It's also celebrating his birthday. So we're going to cut that cake as well, right? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Later, Rosie, let's go. Let's go. Hey. 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 Hey.
One more year on them. More one a vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we're doing it again. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year on them. Read from me and no pretend. So we are rejoice. Be a family around, we not paranoid. Gratitude is a must make we build a vibe. Yeah, the most I pray we not go without. If a negative.
So happy birthday to all the Leos in the building. But I got to tell you something. What's the best sign? No, you are all wrong. The best sign is Capricorn. Capricorn.